So hi guys, YouTuber. So today I'm gonna be showing you, and I'm gonna be unboxing a two things that I got yesterday, and my camera. I don't, for no reason, it just the battery burned out. So I went to Radio Shop, and they gave me a new battery because I bought that battery and it was the wrong kind for the thing. So it was the man's fault that gave me the battery. I gave him the Canyon that I was using. You know, my big Canyon that I always do videos with. So I'm in my sister's room because she got better lighting. As you can see, it's more clearer. It's a small room, but it's super long. So for this unboxing, I'm gonna be using my knife, my multi-tool knife. So let's get the knife out. It's a really sharp knife. I have a bigger one, but this is just for unboxing. I don't want to cut myself. So the first thing I'm gonna be unboxing is my new movie 300. I'm sorry because it's different angle. Is 300. This is a movie 300. I don't know if you can see it that well. So I'm gonna be opening it. It's Blu-ray. So here's my sister. She's talking. If you can see it. Wow. I like the new thing that they did to the CDs. Now I'm doing it on my tablet, as you can see. Because my Canyon.
What are you doing here?
Camera. I told you. So this is my sister. What?
What are you doing?
I'm doing an unboxing. So here's my Canyon. Not my Canyon, my Samsung tablet. But I gotta use this because I got this unboxing. I don't wanna open it with showing you my views. So the movie. Oh, let me tell you a new thing that they did to the Blu-ray is that black. This is the front. This is the back. That's cool. What they did. That's the real movie. That I got it. So now I'm gonna be showing you my new thing I got from Shout Out Hobbies. Shout Out Hobbies. Located at. You can go to the website or you can call. They have parts. They have cars, airplanes, everything they have there. They even have school supplies. They have the best school supplies. So as you can see, I ripped off my thing because I don't want nobody to see my address and all that. But I always save them in case I have to return them. So with my knife, I'm gonna be cutting right here into the box, like into the packet. Rough packet, so rough. Now we got this part open a little bit. Now we're gonna go to this side. Tricky. As you can see, I'm opening it. Now that I got this part open, let's... Alright, now we have it open. As you can see, we sliced the tape. Wow. So the first thing I see is a red box. It's not. This is a red box. It contains wires and a motor in it. It contains a $15 brushless motor. They didn't give the thing because this is for helicopters or cars. These are more stronger than helicopters. It can lift up a medium-sized helicopter just with this motor. Only one motor of this. You know those little round ones that they have? It's smaller than that, but stronger. It comes with a lot of wires in there. Let me just put it on the side. Then, from the same company, I got this black rotor blade for the back of my... This is for my airplane. For my brushless airplane. That's for why I bought that. It's a small airplane. It's like this size, this width, like up to there, the wings. It's a strong airplane. Then I got this battery, this 3.7 volt battery. Then they also sell supply stuff. That's what I was telling you. So I got 2 bottles of 0.7 millimeters. Number 2 pencils. Number 2 lead. As you can see, number 2 lead. 0.7 millimeters. 2 packs of those. Then I got these cool color changing pens. I got a lot of them for $2. Changing pens, just this. Then I have a little. They even sell used stuff there because most of the stuff are expensive. So this is used and this is used. And this is used. Those are the only thing used here. Then I have a new Staedtler eraser. Then I have a pack of 1,000 Staedtler standard staples. Then I have 2 more packs of small staples for the small stapler. These are new, $2 each. This was $10, and these comes with 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 in each pack. So then I got these water pens. They don't throw water out of them. You can write underwater and all that. And these are Mars pen. Mars. Up here it says Mars pens. That means you can write underwater and in Mars, but this one is only for underwater. So that's all. It came from Universal Postal Service. So thanks for watching and subscribe because I got more videos coming. So tomorrow I'm getting 2 RC airplanes from Showdown Hobbies. So it's a giveaway, so subscribe. The giveaway is gonna be on Monday, this Monday that's coming. Tomorrow I'm gonna start the bid at 100 subscribers. No, forget the subscribers. Subscribe too if you want to win an airplane. It's a $200 airplane I'm ordering. It's coming tomorrow. And subscribe, and if I get 50 likes and the last like and comment from 1 to 10, my favorite number from 1 to 20, and whoever gets my favorite number wins a free airplane, my dad said. Because why I will buy 2 airplanes just for me? It's gonna be the same. You have to put, the only thing you have to put together is the wings. Then you can fly. It's ready to fly. You just have to charge the battery, connect the wing. It's a rubber band connected wings, rubber band connected. And subscribe, click like, comment the favorite numbers, and I hope you win a new airplane.